Alright. Don't get too damn excited. I still don't know what the hell I'm doing. Look, first I'm gonna rant, okay? I'm gonna have us a rant. I'm Gen X, I'm old. One of the things that I absolutely cannot stand is when I turn on a video and they start off with, everybody wants me to do a video about blah 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 blah, or my opinion, and nobody asked me. You can tell by how many subscribers I got. Nobody asked me a thing. I'm bored. I'm in the garage. I figured I'd show you something cool. At least I think it's cool. So here we go. This is my radio setup. Some of you know I'm a radio nerd. I got an FCC license to do this kind of stuff. There's nothing special. Any moron can get it. That's why I have one. This is my 70 centimeter unit. It's 50 watts. It's got this many FARs to it. Yeah, that many FARs. That's what Not a Rubicon says. Shout out to Not a Rubicon. This one is the TK-790. That one's the TK-890, by the way. This is the TK-790. This is the 2 meter unit. They are joined together with a duplexer because I have one antenna in the attic for the garage. It is a J-pole, about 30 feet in the air. VHF, which means very high frequency, goes on this side. And UHF, ultra high frequency, goes on ye side. And they share. Sharing is caring. You feel me? Alright. This right here is the Codan 40 amp power supply. It's loud. That's why it's in the garage. It has a very aggressive fan because it's made for repeaters and it's made to really pull horsies. And I need it quiet inside my house, so it gets garage duty. This is where the head units are. These are remote head units, the Part 97 series. Part 97 basically means they're idiot proof. They use them on police cars, fire trucks, ambulances, you know, you get it, all the emergency stuff. Basically what it comes down to is you can't program them on the fly. That makes it to where you can't screw it up, so it stays what it be. So this is the 70 centimeter unit. I'm 6 foot tall. These are mounted at like 6'4", 6'6", something like that. So I can reach them, but not bang my dome on it. This one right here is the TK-790. That's the 2 meter unit. And when they're on, they're scanning. What do I use them for? Well, I'm paranoid and I'm old and I've seen a lot of bad things. I use them basically to listen to hear what's really going on. Riots, storms, that's the major one. We're prone to have a lot of tornadoes around here. I'm directly connected to the EOC, the Emergency Operation Command Center of this county, and this one on the left is directly tied to it. So I can hear what's actually going on from the storm chasers and the guys that are actually looking at the live radar stuff before the news stations do. So when the news stations are breaking away from the catastrophic nonsense that's about to hit your house and talking about something that's happening in a county, 200 miles away, the EOC is still talking about what's coming down the street at you. If you're an adult, if you have a family, if you live in a place that's prone for this kind of stuff, get you some radios. Figure out how to use them. Get connected. Get in there. This right here is the SWR meter, standing wave ratio meter. That tells me if my antenna system, radio system is actually working properly. Figure it out. Get your license. Do something. Take care of your family. This right here is where it goes up into the attic. Those two radios join with that duplexer. This goes straight up into the wall, into the attic, up to that J-pole I was telling you about. That's a ground wire to tie everything together. This is not incredibly hard to figure out. You can do this, and I strongly suggest you do. Get you a little UPS, battery backup, keep things running in case the power goes out, and stay safe. Learn how to do this stuff. It's important. This is Gen X. I got a lot of stuff to do and I'm procrastinating. Holler at me when you see me on the street.